Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Instagram's new gold note feature is all the rage. If you are looking to add some golden flair to your notes, you are in the right place. Today I'll show you how to easily add golden notes to your Instagram and make your profile stand out from the crowd. It's a simple trick that makes a big impact. Let's get started. Once you're in your Instagram account, head over to your profile. Once you're there, you need to post a note. So head over to note. You must add the word gold in your sentence or whatever you are posting for note to avail the gold option. So I'm just writing gold, and if you're okay with it, tap on share. Golden notes added. How cool is that? If you're loving this new feature, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more easy Instagram how-tos. There's always something new to learn, and I'll be there to guide you through it all. Till then, goodbye.